Hey friends, hey, it's your girl Miss Pinky 313, and I am here to show you some goodies that I got from Diop clothing. Thank you! They sent me a goodie box from here in Detroit, Michigan. It's a clothing brand here, and I always show love to my city, and I love my city so much, so why not, right? So I did want to thank Mapate. Thank you so much for sending me this. This was awesome. I was not expecting it. It was great. So what better way to show my appreciation and thank you by showing and sharing with my community. So yeah, so I have here is a goodie box. So let's get into it and see what we got. All right. I did slice it. I didn't look in it, so it's gonna be a show and tell for the both of us. Oh, look at that. So first of all, I gotta show you the box. So let me show you the box. Nice, right? Yes! Look at that. Shiny. Focus, camera, focus. So that, see that? Okay. Gotta represent. Yes, always representing. Oh, this is nice. Okay, let me show you that. Look at that, y'all. Ooh. Yes. So on the inside it says, Diop can't be defined by one thing. It's different, just like you. We know you're on a journey and deserve something that reflects your spirit. Thank you so much for your support. It means the world. Mapate and Evan. This is so dope. Thank you so much, y'all. Thank you. All right. So what we got here? I'm sure I'm not knocking stuff down. I probably did. Yeah. First of all, of course, we're still in a pandemic. I don't care what the CDC says, it's still out here. So yes, mask, I always keep on standby, always. Look at that. Face me. Ooh. I have makeup on my face, so I don't want to put it on just right now. But that's awesome. And it's adjustable. Look at that. It's adjustable. Got the adjustable size there. So yeah, okay. So I know sometimes like certain face masks might, hurt you behind the ear and stuff like that, but this is awesome. Okay. Yeah. See that, y'all? Okay. Oh, this is awesome. Oh, look at that, y'all. Oh, look at them colors. Oh, bandana. Okay. All right, I'm gonna put this. Hold on. I'm not gonna tie it tight on there, but that's so dope. Okay. And then of course you can rub it around your head too. Y'all know what bandanas are. I ain't gotta explain. Y'all know what it is. Okay. I like this one. I like these colors. These are nice colors, pretty colors. Okay, we'll put that there. I got another one. Okay, look at this. And it's pink. I noticed that everything got like, a little pink in it, All right, look at that. I love these colors, y'all. Like it kind of like faces, don't it? That is so dope. That is so dope. Okay. Thank you. All right. Here, let me put that there. Okay, looks like we got a hoodie here. Let me set this here. Oh, that's dope. What's that? Probably just fabric. Yeah, some fabric. Oh, that's so dope. That's nice. Look at that. It's a nice hoodie too. Cause here in Michigan, y'all, it stay cold. Like I was just telling my my community today on my stream, like in here in Michigan, I think we get like maybe four hot days, maybe 1 month of spring, 1 month of fall, and the rest is just all winter. It's just always cold. That's it. That's okay. I like that. I really like that. Okay, and then one more thing. Here. Oh, yes. So this matches. Okay. Look at that. It's a shirt. Oh, that's so dope. Can y'all see it? Oh, this is so dope. I got some shorts too that I can wear with this. This is so fly. This is nice. Thank you. Oh, this is so fly. This is so nice. Okay. This is awesome. This is awesome, y'all. That's so nice. Okay. Oh, look cool out here in these streets. Thank you so much again. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate that. That was so awesome. So yeah, y'all, make sure y'all check out Diop. Hold on, let me grab my notepad here. So yeah, Diop, you can go find them on you know, the internet, of course, weardiop.com. Also make sure you follow them on Instagram, which is Diop on there. So that's DIOP. Make sure you go and follow them there. And thank you, Pate. Thank you so much for sending this to me. Like I said, I wasn't expecting this. And you blessed me, and I appreciate it. Thank you so much. And thank you, y'all, for coming to watch me on this little short, you know, unboxing. I appreciate it. Make sure you check me out on all my social media. Make sure you follow me on Facebook Gaming. I'm always over there. All the links will be down in the bottom of the description, so make sure you go check it out. All right, y'all. I love y'all, and I'll see y'all later. Bye.